guys, it's Vashell and welcome back to my life. I just got into Kingstown. I basically have one errand to do and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. These days I don't have like so many adventures, so I can't really do a full length vlog, but I know that some of you guys really like my day-to-day life, so I will be uploading some mini vlogs just to keep you guys updated. So I just finished work. I just flew my drone. I am at the Chamber of Industry and Commerce car park and I just flew my drone, so you guys got a little glimpse of Kingstown. It's a Saturday, it's not too busy, and as you can see, the birds in the back, they are out in full force and they didn't like my drone in the sky, so I had to stop that. But I need to head over to Peppercorn to get some saltfish. I have a breadfruit at home already, so I need to get that. Let me just check to make sure that this thing is recording. Yes, it is. I mean the audio, because this is a new mic and I'm still figuring out the kinks. So I need to go to Peppercorn to get some saltfish, because today is a saltfish and breadfruit for lunch kind of day, and I feel like I want to go to the fish market to see if I can get some fish as well. So I'm just bringing you guys along with me on this little errand, and we'll see what else Kingstown is giving, because it's literally the week before Carnival. Yeah, final week before Carnival, so preparations are being made. I see that some of the temporary bars have already been constructed, so the next 2 weeks they're going to be pretty exciting, so yay. It is. You want to go in there? Yeah, it's not very busy. Next week, which would be the week of end of month, yeah, that would be a lot worse. Downside. I want to stop. Thank you. Hi. I don't even know if like my hand is straight because I don't have a tripod for this. I'm filming on my DJI action camera. It's much smaller than my Sony ZV-1. Is it more discreet? I'm not sure. Oh, look at the market. Let's just walk around here and see. So this is the Kingstown Central Market. We have a lot of vendors out this morning. Would be perfect. Hi. Yeah, so let's just head right into Peppercorn. So we just came in here to get one thing, and we just want to grab that quickly and head out because the parking lot actually closes at 1 o'clock and it's 12:30 now. This is what we came to get. It's literally the cheapest in the country. $8.75. I'm looking for like a pretty good piece. Maybe this one. Yeah, let's try this one. No, thank you. Okay. So, no, you want to be in it?
Yeah,
Yeah, so I just finished at Peppercorn. I keep forgetting that they no longer give you like plastic bags. So I'm walking through this street. Ah, look who we have here, Miss. Hi, Rolando. 784 VHTV. Subscribe.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Hey.
Subscribe to Vashell. Life in Vincy same. Catch. Come on, you don't know. Everything blessed?
Yeah, I'm going by the fish market.
Do your thing. You don't
All right, bye. So let's cross the street and go to the fish market.
Wait for what? Robin this side. Jackson Robin this side.
So first thing is that we need to buy a bag. I don't see anybody selling. And I don't see my normal fish guy. Ah! Where did you get that bag? Oh, this lady's selling. Can I have a bag, please? Yeah.
You're not playing Masters yet?
I am.
I thought by talking you last time we said you know.
Yeah. How much is the bag? $1?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Wait, fish going there?
Sorry, here you go.
Yeah. Hello, Nabby.
Thank you. Let me just put this in there one time. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's find some fish. What kind of fish is this? Are these for sale or are these for people already? Yeah, how much is it?
$10 a month.
Yeah, can I have one, two? Two, let's do two. Thank you. Thank you so much. Here you go. Thanks. Okay, good. So I have saltfish and I have robin. So I'm good with fish. I'm gonna hold off chicken at least for the week. So I basically finished my errands. This is the only thing that I came to get. And I still have a little bit of time. So I want to give you guys a tour of our main bus terminal here in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It's called Little Tokyo. So let's do a quick walk through and hopefully people don't look at us too weirdly. Over there, that building is a part of the new port that's being constructed. I'm hearing that it could be finished by May 2025. It's a really huge project, but I think they've been doing really well in terms of keeping on time with the construction. Hi, I just liked your reel today. You know you posted a story. I remember you. You good? You wanna get my glass? No, thank you. Live. Live. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that was just a pretty quick tour of Little Tokyo, our main bus terminal, and now I am about to walk back to the car park before they close and lock me in because I have not paid as yet. Hello. have not been into that one. We'll do that another time.
So you can't get me a rock bar. Boy, wait.
We just passed a snow cone lady and a cat man, and those two things are so synonymous with city life in St. Vincent. Like growing up, the best part of coming to Kingstown was at the end of the day getting a snow cone while waiting for a bus at Little Tokyo, and then with the catmen after you do your grocery shopping. You know, if your bags are too heavy or too plentiful for you to carry by yourself, then you just hire a catman to take your goods to the bus stop. Like things like that, Vincy 100%. So we made it back to the car park, and they're still open. So let's pay and head home. Hi.
How you doing? Very
Good
sure.
to see you. I'm good.
See you, man.
Yeah.
Enjoy your weekend, okay?
Thank you. I wish you could take this $5 for me, please. And hold this.
It's supposed to be 250.
Yeah. Peppercorn, 250. So yes, we made it back on time, and we're only paying $2.50 because we stayed for no more than an hour. Did I mention that the fish that I bought, they were already cleaned? So happy. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I mean, I still have to give it like a once over and stuff like that, but the hard work has been done for me. So I'm very happy about that. So I'm just gonna go home now today and do this saltfish to eat with the breadfruit. We got that from Jason's mom. Thank you so much. And chill for the rest of the day. This evening is actually Georgetown Carnival Jump Up, and I feel like I want to go, but then I don't know if I want to like make the drive and everything. So if I do, then that will be in a separate vlog. So I'm literally ending this one here right where we started, back at the car park. I hope you guys enjoy this teeny little vloglet, mini vlog, and definitely hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.